Hi guys, welcome back. This is 20 Gaming again with another Lost Sword content. If you're enjoying the content in this channel, please do consider subscribing to the channel. I'm trying to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of this year. With your help, that would come true. We're almost at like 750. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do consider subscribing. I also be covering quite a lot of gacha games moving forward. So please do watch out for that one as well. So yeah, I'm back. Lots of things in IRL, but we are here. Hopefully, I'll be able to clear chapter 39-20 with my team currently. I feel that I have currently, so for I've gotten the Carp Dame card. I was lucky enough to pull for Lilith off cam. So I got her card as well. So those are very very important stuff. I also got a Lilith pet. No copies, but like it's good enough for me. So my team formation would be this team. It's like a hybrid knight and range healer team. So consisting of a T3 Lancelot, T3 Lancelot equipment, not that great. Card set, I got the Lua card. So Lua cards so that I can have alter the remaining cooldown of the active skill to 0 seconds. So she can cast multiple times on the ability. So T3 specialties, not that great. Training, um, do I have here? 1, 2, T3 training. So that's her. Guinevere, still not even T1. Card is the Carp Dame card. Very lucky to have that. So equipment wise, just like attack on staff and everything, health sustainability so that she can sustain. No copies. Galahad, she's max. I was lucky enough to get her on random pulls. She's now T5 awaken. Okay, I'm using the charm card here. So the Lilith card, status effect accuracy, and this one also critical resistance reduction 15% for your team to survive more. Okay, she's not on Ethan card anymore, and just like full on block chance, hit, HP, whatever that I can muster. Okay, Neo Bedivere. This one is a good attack and then crit damage. This one just like a trash. This one just HP. This one is just trash. Card is, I don't have a card on her. I'm gonna be putting, where's my Neo Bedivere card? Where's my Neo Bedivere card? Here. Okay, Neo Bedivere card. And then my Tiamat. My Tiamat is the best one that I have right now. So this one, attack, crit damage on lines, defense, HP with the Crown of the Dead with crits. And then this one, crit damage on 3 lines. So, and then the card is the Tiamat card. So Awaken T5. So let's just do this. Hopefully, hope for the best. No cuts, no edits. So I'm just saying what I'm doing, okay? So what I'll do it manually. It's also a four-tiered enemy, meaning there's like 4 waves. So what I'll do, Lancelot will be able to cast her ult quite fast. So which is really cool. And then I'll click this one for Galahad to be able to cast that. See? Look at this how fast she is doing it. Like the basic attacks are crazy. So I'm gonna cast this one and then cast this one as well, so that I have still ults remaining later. Second one, this one. And then now I'll be fighting a boss. I should have cast that one here. Anyways, we're technically destroying them. So now, back to the old cooldown. I'm back. Let's do their ults. Okay. And then I think we're done. I think. It's just me being tanky. Okay, it's just me being tanky. If I see a life going down here, I'm gonna use my Guinevere. But we're very tanky, guys. And then her casting of like an ult. She casts her ult quite fast. Okay, we're gonna use that heal. And she's dead. Ooh, we're done. Going into chapter 40. We're now at chapter 40. Fairly easy. I thought like it's gonna be hard. I think the Lilith card and the Carp Dame card, it's so OP. So let's just return. Like if you have the Carp Dame card and Lilith together, and then my team is also, my pets are like, for like, let's just look at the pets here. So these are my pets. Just like damage reduction, Esteria card with the damage reduction, she's not gonna be getting her ability here, but just damage reduction all over the place. See, attack damage reduction, and then Lohen Green for fast attacks, and then ignore damage reduction, and also attack speed, so that like my team will be fast on hitting them. So fairly decent, fairly good team. I'll be putting this one to the test going into chapter 40 until I hit a wall. Comment down below if I've hit a wall. So again, this is my team. If you are able to gather some instance here, the card, this one, the Lua card is really good. Again, after the remaining cooldown of the active skill to 0. Alter the remaining cooldown of active skill to 0. So she's gonna be having her active skill prepped up every 21 seconds. So that's fairly cool on the Lua card. So again, not that bad. Like, I have this dual blade, but I've refined it to level 30 because, again, you don't have any lines here. So I did it to refine it to make it 30. Just for her to add up more attack on Lancelot. So, Lohen Green, I haven't used her yet. So, Tiamat is like my best character pushing content. Neo Bedivere for the heals, sustained heals. Whenever she hits, you will be gaining heals. And then on top of that, Guinevere, in case somebody dies, she can resurrect. Also with the Carp Dame card, I think this is the best card that you can equip to your healer because it also have magic attack. Again, increase attack to your healers. Magic attack increases the heals that they will be inflicting to your team. So hopefully you guys like this video. Very easy. I thought like I'm gonna be doing it with multiple tries, but like we did it in one go. So my level is, that guy is 361 and I'm at 339. That's a bit far away. I'm like 21 levels away. Okay? I think you can still do this with a Galahad like a Galahad T5 or T3. Okay? Because like I can't do it without, like, I'm just lucky enough to get a Galahad T5. But again, even a like an unawakened Galahad on T5 or T3, I think she'll be able to like push through with this. So hopefully you guys like this video. Like and subscribe again. This is 2000 Gaming. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye-bye.